Hey guys, welcome back to Till Vacuum Do Us Part. In my last video, it was a vlog, I had talked about Savannah not feeling well, and you guys have been so sweet and have reached out wanting to know how she's doing. She is doing much better and feels great, but now I feel like I have it. I have a really sore throat, so if I sound funny in this voiceover, that's why. I'm just trying to get through it. Today we're starting in like the living room area. We had just finished up homeschool, and she'd kind of done it at the dining table, the island, and the floor right there, so we're just putting away all her supplies, and then I'm going to work on the kitchen.
For the first time, you know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? Will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? Will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? Yeah. La 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 la.
Okay, now I'm grabbing a chair so I can put the last few dishes away. I am short, but in my defense, my cabinets are really tall, so it's hard to reach that second and third layer.
You better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? Will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down?
I'm just gonna close my eyes and pretend that I'm not here. All these empty faces talking about problems, I don't care. I can't wait till sundown 'cause my body's aching. I just wanna dance, I just wanna dance. Don't you wanna party? Standing in the crowd feeling heartbeat. Everybody's carefree, everybody's carefree.
To clean my granite countertops lately, I've just been using like a damp e-cloth rag. I'll leave that link down below in my description box. And I just get it wet, and then I've been using the Method granite cleaner. A lot of you guys ask me if I can just clean with water with the rags. Why do I use the Method? And it's mainly just for the smell or the shine. I don't know. I like to change up my cleaning products just to make it a little more fun and try something new. And so that's why I'm using those two together. now I'm going to take Indust to clean like the wood surfaces in my house. So I'm going to wipe down my dining room table, my coffee table, my living room, my fireplace gets really dirty, and my front door, just because they get dusty, and I'm loving the Indust. I love the smell, and once again, I'm just using an e-cloth rag.
Heartbeat, don't you wanna party? Don't you wanna party? Staying out all night, feeling like we're young, acting like tomorrow will never come, counting every moment till the weekend comes. I just wanna dance, I just wanna dance, 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 dance.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. Never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. I just wanna look into your eyes. You know you make me feel like I'm alive. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution.
Okay, now I'm headed into my beauty room, and if you don't follow me on Instagram, then you don't know, but I rearranged again. Shocking, I know. I think it was New Year's Eve night that I just got the itch and went ahead and switched it around. I'm using a damp e-cloth rag again, and then a Method all-purpose cleaner to wipe down my vanity. It just kind of gets dirty since it's white, and that's where I put my makeup on. And then I'm going to use the e-cloth window rag to wipe down my mirrors, and then I'm going to use the window polishing rag to dry them off, and it leaves them like streak-free, beautiful, crystal clear.
Let go to the beat in the streets, every freak out singing like, party like, freaking out to the beat, yeah we freak out singing like, party like,
Now I'm headed into my master bedroom, and there's not a ton to do in here, but I do like to make my bed every day. It's definitely not the first thing I do when I wake up like most people. I typically get ready and we do homeschool. Like today, it's even after lunch, but I like to clean off our side tables and then go ahead and get the bed made. You'll see that blanket that I throw on the ground. That was my Christmas gift, and it's a heated blanket, and I love it. I've used it every day since Chase got it for me. That exact one I think sold out, but they have one really close to it, so I'll leave the link down below in the description box if you're in the market for one.
Wanna look at you all night, put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful. Until my lungs give out, you're beautiful. In that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Wanna put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. And it's like you're untouchable. Like you're untouchable. Until my lungs give out, you're beautiful. Baby, you're beautiful. You're beautiful.
Okay, now I'm gonna grab my e-cloth mop, and it's just like my rags. It only requires water, so I'm gonna get that mop head wet and mop all my wood floors in the whole house.
I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night, all night. I'll sing until my lungs give out, you're beautiful.
So for my birthday, Chase had my car detailed, which was so nice because it needed it. But to have that done, I had to take everything out of it, and I did put it all in one bag and then decluttered that, but I have to put everything back in now that I have it back home. So if you stay tuned a little bit longer, I'll be showing that as well.
You're my music, but you tear me to pieces. So where does it come from? Scene that keeps playing on repeat, ignores the rule of thumb. Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? All your emotions with your heart on your sleeve, it won't fade until you paint it black. I let it burn, you call the fire brigade, but I feel that it will come back. Oh, where does it come from? 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 state we're in. I breathe you in and I can tell where I end and you begin. Where I end and you begin. Where I end and you begin. Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? Where does it come from? Cause my heart is on hold on, so I need you to play on, play on, play
Thank you guys so much for watching and making it until the end of the video. I appreciate it so much. Definitely make sure you hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't subscribed, I'd love for you to join my family here on YouTube, and go ahead and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Hold on, so I need you to play on, play